Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva on laptop. This tutorial is perfect if you are a student, content creator, beginner, designer, any of the YouTuber or social media. And if you've used Canva before but never export everything properly, Canva is an online design platform that lets you create posters, presentation, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, resumes, logos, videos and much more without needing any professional design skills. Everything works by drag and drop and you can use your Canva directly in your web browser on a laptop without installing any software. In this video, I'll explain every major feature step by step: templates, editing tool, text, elements, uploads, colors, layers and video editing, animation, collaboration and the settings. So let's get started from the beginning. First, you need to open any of the web browser and after that in the top there's an address bar. Type down canva.com and enter it. Over here, when you reach into this dashboard of the Canva, what you can do is in the top right, you can either continue with the account that you already previously have joined or you can continue with another account from the start, which is creating. As I already have an account and I'm going to select continue over here and select continue. And after logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the Canva home dashboard. Now let's understand what you see on the Canva home dashboard. At the top, you'll see a search bar over here that says something like what will you design today. This is where you can directly search for your designs like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, resume, poster, logo. And below that, Canva shows designs categories such as presentation, social media, videos, marketing, print products, websites. Scrolling down, you'll see recommended templates as well. Recent designs you worked on earlier, photos if you have organized your work, and on the left side you'll see your home, projects, templates, brand, Canva AI and more. And this left panel is important because it helps you navigate everything inside the Canva. Creating a new design, and now let's create a new design. On the top left, we can see there's a plus icon to create a new design. Select this plus icon and when you click it, you can create a design. Over here, you can simply create a new design of your presentation, Instagram post, resume or post, or you can also use the template for you if you want. Simply select on one of the template that you prefer here, and once you click on a design type, Canva opens the designer editor in a new tab here. Now you're inside a Canva editor. This is where all the editing happens. On the left panel side, this is where you add things to your design. It includes your templates, elements, text, brand, uploads, photo, tools, project and the apps. And the center area, this is your Canva, the actual design page where you see your edit and work. And on the top toolbar here, you can change your design of the font size, font color, text color, alignment, transparency, position and animate. On the right side, you'll see buttons like share, download, resize, which is for the pro. Now let's talk about the template, which is one of the Canva's biggest strength. Click on the template in the left panel over here. You can generate a design as well by the AI, selecting this generate, and after that you can also select any of these templates over here and you'll see 1,000 of ready-made designs created by professional. You can scroll and browse or search for something specific like your preference, and when you click on a template, it instantly loads onto your canvas. All the text, colors and elements are fully editable. Templates save a lot of time. Instead of designing from scratch, you can simply just customize and adding and editing text. To add a text, you can click onto this text icon over here and you can select the fonts and combination. If you want, you can simply add a text box and it will automatically set up into your editing phase. You see the text combination, heading, subheading, body text as well. Click any style and it appears on your canvas. To edit, simply need to touch, double click to the text, type your own content here, and from the top what you can do is simply double click into this and you can find all of this: font size, text color here, color effect, animation, position, your bold, italic, underline, alignment, letter spacing, line spacing, and you can also drag text boxes anywhere on the canvas by simply selecting to your this small icon and drag it over here anywhere in the editing session here. Now click onto this elements in the top left where you can find the elements of the shape, sizes, lines, stickers, icons, illustration, frames, grid. You can search for anything like your arrow, and over here in this quick add you can find the arrow as well. Simply double clicking on it over here. You can search for like arrow, heart, circle, background, social media icons. Click an element to add and resize it, rotate it. You can simply resize it over here by making it smaller or bigger as well. Frames are very useful. You can drag photos into frames to create professional layouts as well, and uploading your own photos and videos. Over here on the left, we can see there's an upload icon here. In order to upload your own photos and videos, select to this upload, and from here you can upload your photos from your laptop, video, audio files. You can record yourself as well. If you want to upload files, go to this upload files and you'll be redirected to your library and you can select any of the file or the photo that you want to put it in the editing, or you can simply go to this images here as well and it will be selected to your editing, and you can simply drag them onto the canvas. This is great for personal photos, brand images, YouTube thumbnails, and product design. Using photos, videos, and audio from the Canva, it also provides stock content. You can click on the photos for images, videos for the video clips, audio for the background music. You can search keywords like your preference. Some items are free and some requires the pro version as well. And over here, you can make animate and video editing. If you're working on a video or animated post, you can select this animate in the top here. You can animate your text, images, entire pages. For videos, you can simply trim your clips, add transition, adjust timing, sync elements with audio. Canva works like a simple video editor on a laptop. Now over here on the bottom, you can see there's a timer for the show timer here. You can also add a timer if you want in order to save your time. If you want any of the duration, you can go to this duration here. You can select this preference of your duration that you want, either for your 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 or the 40 as per your time. And if you want to add any notes over here on the bottom, you can select this note here and you can note your design here as well, and it will automatically save it to your note. Over here on the tools, you can find your tables, your text, your sticky notes, your lines, your shapes, your drawing, and to select anything here as well. And if you want to look your editing in zoom in level, you can simply select to this bottom icon here. You can simply slide it in the right side and it will automatically zoom. And if you want to make it little less zoom, you can simply go to the left side panel and it will automatically zoom out. And this is it. You can also find the pages over here, and over here you can also hide the pages thumbnail by selecting to this hide page thumbnail as well, and that is it. And if you want to preview your photo or the video, you can do that. On the top there's a preview here. You can select to this preview and it will automatically show you how the video has been made. And after you're happy with the video, you can select to this saving, sharing, and downloading. In the top right, we can see there's a share icon over here. Click onto this share and Canva saves your work automatically, so you do not need to press save. And to download your share design, you can select to this share. You can go to the copy link and you can send to any of the social of your friends you want. You can do that as well. You can also add people or groups that you want to share your design with, and they can simply edit to your page as well. And after that, you can select to this download to the bottom. You can choose the file PNG, JPG for the images, PDF for the documents, MP4 for the video. Select the quality you want. You can also select the pages if you want all the pages, or if you want just a current page for yourself. You can select to the each pages that you want to download. You can deselect it from here as well and select done. And after that, you can select download. So this is how you can use your Canva on a laptop. After that, on the bottom left, you can see there's a profile icon here. Select to this profile icon here. You can change your theme icon. You can select to the light or the dark as well. If you want a light theme, which is automatically default, but if you want a more darker theme, you can select to this dark mode here, and your Canva background will set to your dark mode. Advanced tool here, you can find the advanced tool as well. And the last step is to log out from the canvas. Once you get all of this set done editing, then you can log out. On the bottom there's an option to log out. Select to this logout here, and this is it. It will automatically take you to the login homepage of the Canva. So this is how you can use your Canva on a laptop. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.